everyone, welcome back to another Golden Insights. Today we're checking back in on the dahlia bed that we re-amended about 3 weeks ago now. Weather hasn't been great, a little foggy here on the coast, so we gave it an extra week before feeding. But as you can see from our last feeding to today, we've had a tremendous amount of growth. We're starting to get some little tiny flower buds popping up on some of these dahlias after our transition feeding. So today, we're gonna encourage them to bloom. So our application rate again on this bed is about 50 square feet. So we're gonna use about 2.5 pounds, which is the full strength recommendation for bloom. We're just gonna sprinkle that on, rake it in a little bit, give it a bit of water, and be off to the races. So this is getting a little easier now that I know the application rate for this bed. I know it's about 2.5 pounds. I know each of these scoops is about 1/2 pound. So I'm just gonna kind of get liberal with it and throw those 5 scoops around the bed. So hopefully next time we check in, we'll have some big, beautiful blooms popping up on these dahlias. And as always, you wanna make sure to water in your fertilizer, carry it down into the soil and get it started breaking down. Well, thanks for joining us on another Golden Insights. We're gonna close up the dahlia bed and wait for some blooms. See you next time.